Okay. So I was sitting on a bench over there, just reading my book, enjoying the view of Lake Atitlan, and I saw a dog trying to scrounge in the garbage. Hiya, puppy. Are you stuck in there? Let me see if I can help him get out. It won't be pretty. I don't want you to bite me, buddy. It's got something good in there, but I don't know that he can get out again. Poor thing. Okay. Okay, buddy. I'm gonna see if I can just kind of push this over. Oh, we got out. Good boy. Good boy, huh? Good fella. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Don't go back in there. I don't want to see you get stuck in there. Okay? Okay. Great. Great. Okay. I just rather think that people would leave a dog in a garbage can.